Talking a lot about water safety today, and Eric Palacios joins us for today's La Vegas Now segment with rules and laws to keep in mind when you're out at the lake. And there are some laws and rules that people should know about.
There are. Some people, when they get on a boat, they think it's a free-for-all, and it's not. Just like there are rules of the road, there's rules on the water.
And you can get a DUI just as you can on the roadways.
Yes, and a lot of people have fun while they're boating, but they also like to indulge and have a few drinks. The DUI limits are the same on the water as they are driving a car, so if you're going to drink, let someone else drive the boat and be safe that way.
Yeah, and it's important for people to get familiar with their boats and to read the manuals. I mean, it's not something you want to just go out and do.
It's not. There's a lot of danger out there. It can be a fun sport, but you need to be careful. There's manuals when you go to Lake Mead. They'll be happy to hand you one with all the boating rules. That way you can be safe out there.
And another thing to keep in mind is everybody needs a life jacket, right?
Yes. Some people think that as long as they have a couple of life jackets on board, that's enough. You need one life jacket for every person on board, and then you need an additional flotation device. So one for every person plus one.
Well, I'm sure you deal with this all the time, but I didn't know until recently when a friend told me that they had gotten a ticket on the lake.
Yes.
And that's something that happens all the time.
Yes, if you are going too fast for conditions, if you're driving in a reckless manner, if you're towing a skier without another person to spot you on the boat, there's a lot of different rules that you need to follow. And if a ranger sees you violating one of these rules, you'll get pulled over and you'll get a ticket. And it's in federal court, not state court.
So is there anything that people can do to get out of those tickets?
You can call an attorney and we can take care of it for you, try to minimize the damage. But it is in federal court, so normally they're a little more stringent than if you were to get a ticket in state court.
Also pricier?
Sometimes, yes, depending on what the violation is.
All right. Well, Eric, it's always good to have you here. Appreciate it very much.
Thank you for having me.
For more information, you can give Eric Palacios and Associates a call. There's the number on the screen, 702-444-7777. You can also go to their website, and that is at ericpalacioslaw.com.